Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Wizz account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Wizz app on your phone. Now from over here, simply go ahead, tap on this, go back and tap on this profile icon given in the bottom right, tap on gear icon on top right section, simply scroll down to the bottom and then you will find this red letter in the delete account. Tap on it and now simply choose this option. Whatever the reason, you can choose it, otherwise simply tap on delete my account and you're going to simply provide another confirmation which is yes or no. You can say your personal information will be deleted in 6 months including discussion. So even if you delete your account right now, it will take 6 months for all the information to be removed correctly. Tap on yes and you are done. That is how you will be able to simply delete your Wizz account. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.